to listen to the song and like get all the words again.
Okay.
Wait. What if I'm able to pull the? I think I'll be able to pull the beat into here, and then I just need to. But that's if I remember this. I need to find the beat. Okay, let me try find. Might take a while. Okay, if I'm correct, I just searched free diss track beats. Free, non-copyrighted diss track music. Okay, it should be. Okay, oof. I think I found it actually.
Did you find it?
Could I have found it? Wait. Seeing if I have. If it will actually look.
Did you get it?
I found it! I found it!
Oh.
I freaking found it! I'm happy! I'm so happy!
I am as well. I am as well.
Okay. Okay, now I just need to figure out what I say again. Okay, wait, Kyle. No, wait, what is it? It's a Keags diss track.
Yeah, it is the Kyle diss track by Keags.
Okay. Kyle diss track. Kyle diss track. Let's see. Oh, it's not the first thing that pops up. It's the actual artist, Kyle. Okay.
You must check what happens if you Google Kyle. Like seriously, if you Google Kyle Kutzer, which is my full name, Kyle Kutzer, you know who pops up?
Who?
A cricket player, an actual cricket player.
Okay, wait. So you roasted me, so I'm gonna roast you.
Oh.
You're better. Way better than you. By doing a diss track. Wait, I need to just listen to the words again.
Okay.
When you try to roast me and you think it's small. Well, I'm happy to be small, because I can punch your balls better than you, because you are so tall. How's the weather out there? Down here we have pace. Higher than nice shots, you just have house shots. Look at this house. It was run by a mouse. You can come in if you want, but you are so tall. Remember guys, this is just for fun. While I come in, shooting like a gun. Where did you upload last? Oh wait, that's in the past. You... Wait, I can't hear myself anymore. Wait. Wait. Just keep quiet for a little bit. Okay, so it's like, where did you upload last? Wait, that's in the past. You should just quit and let it be me. No code, just Keags. So you can do your deeds. Is anything else you want from this mouse? Oh yes, the Wi-Fi. Maybe do some drive-bys. So you can buy that for your cat. Oh wait, didn't that die while you ate some pie?
Who are you?
This is the end of the
like
thing.
me?
Wait.
I am
The
you.
war has begun.
The future.
It's all just
I am you
How can
from
I
the
believe
future.
that you
Wait.
are me.
Please keep quiet, I'm still trying to listen.
Are you?
Please, I'm trying to listen. I'm
Okay.
actually gonna not.
I'll mute myself.
Please.
Okay,
Wait.
guys. Wait. Keegan, can you hear me?
Once it, the
Okay,
war
you
has
can't hear
begun. The view is coming. The end of
No
us.
idea, I'm recording.
You
I
said
told him that
my
I would like
hair
to
was
record this
done. Look
because,
at that
as
now.
you guys could
Nice
know,
and
or could
short.
tell,
All you wanna do
in
is stare,
this
so
video
eat my
you can't
face.
hear a single word.
You still look like a cat.
Like seriously, I'll
I'm
get it up
done.
right now.
Hope this was fun.
This thing go away.
So peace. Okay. I'm
Oh,
ready. I'm
okay.
ready, man. I got this.
Oh, you ready?
I think I'm gonna flop it though.
It doesn't matter. Give it your best.
Okay. Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I just started recording now.
Okay. This is I forgot my name already. Freak. Keags doing Kyle Diss Track by Keags live.
This isn't a live stream, Keegan.
I mean it. You can hear me saying it live.
Okay.
I mean it. Like hear me, it's like a live version of it instead of.
Okay.
Okay. Get the music adjusted though, because I don't want it to be another flop like my first one.
No, it's adjusted. It's adjusted. I made sure.
Okay. And I okay.
And let's do this.
I can't even hear it. It's not even playing.
No, I'm getting it ready.
It's not even playing.
I'm getting it ready. Ah! You know how hard it is to type with one hand.
I could do it. Just wait. Okay, there.
Okay, let's do this. Keep
Hey
going.
Carl. So you roasted me. So I'm gonna roast you back.
Oh no.
And way better. By doing a diss track. Fat. All you are is fat. When you try to roast me, all you could think is small. Well, I'm happy to be small. I punch your balls better than you, cause you are so tall. How's the weather up there? Down here we have pace. I have the nice shots, you just have house shots. Look at this house. It was run by a mouse. Come if you want, but you are so tall. Now remember, guys, this is just for fun. While I come in, shooting like a gun. When did you upload last? Oh wait, that's in the past. I think you should quit, just let it be me. No Carl, just Keags, so you can do your deeds. Is there anything else you want from this mouse? Oh yes, the Wi-Fi. Maybe do your advice, so you can buy that for your cat. Oh wait, didn't that die while you ate some pie? I forget most of it, but it's ending now. Just wait.
Oh no.
Pretty sure I forgot a whole part of it. Jeez.
Okay, Keegan, wait, hold on. I need to explain some things.
Okay, no way. Did I mess up? No, I messed up completely. I forgot a whole segment. We have to redo it. I'm sorry. We have to redo it.
But Keegan, before you restart, can I explain some things quickly?
What?
Okay, guys. Now, as you guys have heard, when Keegan mentioned Wi-Fi, saying.
Okay, wait, just end it. Redo it. Redo the whole thing.
Okay.
It's just easier that way. Okay, wait. I'm pretty sure I've missed out the part where, like, after cat, oh wait, didn't that die while you ate some pie? I need to go back and listen to what I heard after that.
Okay.
Oh, it was about my hair. Remember, wait. I hope this is what you wanted. The war has begun. It is coming. The end of us.
We had a war.
Well, I don't know. Remember you said my hair was long. Look at that now. Nice and short. All you want to do is stare, so eat my pears. Oh, it's just that. Because you look like a cat. I'm done. Hope it was fun. So peace.
Okay, Keegan.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Why? Oh, that was a long time ago, actually. Never mind. Okay. Okay. Are we rolling? We're rolling.
Can you do this? I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I already have the link and everything. We're rolling.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the Kyle Diss Track by Keags, live in Discord. Nowhere else. Maybe if you ask, I might sing it in person, but I don't care. Here we go.
I did not even stop. He just thinks
So
I
Kyle,
carried on.
You roasted me.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna roast you back. And I'm gonna do it way better. Way better than you. By doing a diss track. Frank, I messed it up!
Oh.
Restart!
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's start again.
And I'm rolling.
Okay. This is the Kyle's diss track by Keags live in Discord. Nowhere else you hear it. Maybe, but that's if you're special. Okay?
Like me.
Let's do this.
I'm starting.
I think I need to play.
Okay.
So Kyle, you roasted me. So I'm gonna do it way better. Way better than you. By doing a diss track. Fat. All you are is fat. When you try to roast me, all you could think is small. Well, I'm happy to be small. Cause I can punch your balls better than you, cause you are so tall. How's the weather up there? Down here we have pears. I have the nice shots, you just have house shots. Look at this house, was run by a mouse. You can come in if you want, but you are so tall. Now remember guys, this is just for fun. While I come in, shooting like a gun. When did you upload last? Oh wait, that's in the past. You should quit now and just let it be me. No Carl, just Keags, so you could do your deeds. Is there anything else you want from this mouse? Oh yes, the Wi-Fi. Maybe do some drive-bys. So you buy that for your cat. Oh wait, didn't that die while you ate some pie? I hope this is what you wanted. The war has begun. I saw this coming. The end of us. Remember you said my hair was long. Look at that now. Nice and short. But you should stop the fat, or you'll look like a cat. I'm done. Hope this was fun.
Okay.
So peace.
That was actually not that bad. I'm gonna quickly unmute myself. Wow, that was actually quite good. I would clap my hands if I could, but I have a fractured arm.
I'm a freaking genius, mate. Lyrical genius here.
Well, a lyrical genius would not just say fat the whole time.
Yee. Fat. Sorry.
Thank you. I actually lost some weight, okay? I lost weight ever since that video has been made.
Fat. I'm a lyrical genius. Okay, let's do a genius episode now. Okay, so...
Are you full with energy now?
Okay. Fat. All you are is fat. When you try to roast me, all you could think is small. So, when I was writing this, Kyle basically just dissed me about being short. But I wrote about the same by just dissing him about being fat. But I did do more than just doing that. When you try to roast me, all you could think is small. Well, I'm happy to be small because I can punch your balls. I don't know why I added that in. Better than you because you are so tall. How's the weather up there? Down here we have pears. I have the nice shots, you just have house shots. The house in the video is not actually mine. It's my uncle's who's moved to the UK already. So yeah. It was the last time I went there though. You can come in if you want, but you're so tall. Now remember guys, this is just for fun. While I come in, shooting like a gun. When did you upload last? Oh wait, that's in the past. Kyle didn't have Wi-Fi back in the days. So he wouldn't upload off his own side, and I would upload for him.
I could not upload on my own side.
Yeah, you couldn't actually. You should quit and just let it be me. No Kyle, just Keags, so you could do your deeds. Is there anything else you want from this mouse? Oh yes, the Wi-Fi. There was a big conspiracy with me and my friends that Kyle would come over just so you could use a Wi-Fi.
There was an actual thing, and I actually I got so irritated because
I didn't believe in it though. I knew you were coming as a friend, but that was Justin a lot.
No, it wasn't only him though. It wasn't only him.
It was other people.
I maybe did it to Keanu because his Wi-Fi was fast. Like he had no idea.
Oh yes, the Wi-Fi. Maybe do some drive-bys. So you could buy that for your cat. Oh wait, didn't that die while I ate some pie? I was just thinking of stuff to say actually. That was just rambling.
I never had cats. I'm allergic to cats.
Yeah. I hope this is what you wanted. The war has begun. I saw this coming. The end of us. Remember you said my hair was long. Look at that now. Nice and short. All you want to do is stare and eat my pears. I don't know what I had an obsession with pears with, but I said that a lot. and he roasted
kinda
me
still
about
do.
having long hair. He roasted me for having long hair at the time because my hair was actually pretty long. But you should stop the fat or you'll look like a cat. I'm done. Hope this was fun. So peace. That was the end. Thank you. Boom. I'm out.
Is that it? Hello?
I just wanted a dramatic exit.
Okay, so guys, that was Keegan doing the...
Kyle District live on Discord, my brother.
Okay.
A
And
freaking genius.
he is
Roast me. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I'm not a genius. I'll almost ready to cry.
Okay, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like down below, and please can you actually just comment down below saying if I should do a diss track on Keegan since he did one on me.
Hey! What happened to your diss video? It went down.
You made me take it down.
I didn't make you take it down, you took it down yourself. So
Why would I take it down? It was such a good video. Well edited
you
as well.
you took it down so many. I don't know why, but you took it down. I remember that. I think I have it maybe. Looking if I have it. If I do, I'll re-upload it.
Just like re-upload videos.
Yeah. Where the freak are these videos?
And guys, remember, stay strange. Bye. Keegan, say bye.
Peace.
Bye, guys. Stay strange.